Hakasin ka beningkong hakajala ba umintri rang ma kajala Kynriah yala di shidin but IT kinong yalam shnong ban plie yak ophis trekam kaniek la ja hakajing plie yak a block integrated development complex jong ka Khat-ar Shnong Laitkroh Block haka steps nginingkong hamau jurang Laitkroh hakani kasi umintri rang ba konrat ke sangma ula IT ha Sordar ya ka ilaka Laitkroh pa Paila Star Kharkongon ban plie yakani ko ophis trekam haringkat ke jingsa khilang MLA ka Sordar ba given million badru MLA ka mauplang ba beyond Star kurba DC ke East Khasi Hills nalor ke officer SDO ka Sordar BDO ki he pulen pat kibe
Ini trekam mai juga Khat-ar Shnong Laitkroh Block ni isokmen dan phah biru untasi dah kini kasi apply jingdan jadi kendan guldan jadi betul chief minister dan buram jok state bagi officer tiba senior bagi kanan itu jok thai takum jingsau bertemai jong ke Sordar lalu unta kini ki baru kita bertemai dan beli pada lagi riu pada kumga jing kadak bapani maka jinya saprang kami rekam jog Sordar rekam jog patpa hari kopol bidon ini yai ba Paila Star Kharkongon bade Sordar jog ilaka Laitkroh beliau berkhap jadi urban kumga dak bapani ba pri ya kali rekam tempat
Tại vì con đi siap ai cũng ở bên trong bộ nông thao và đang cắt bắt nghi và đã có borom ya i chung nisar và đang borom chung ni và di MLA trong một plan thuộc Sordar và di ai thuộc sar và fair di department trong tam ini kesini ingin pleno ingin ke blok pertama trong cả Khat-ar Shnong Laitkroh yang blok kalau kecil terku ya garoi kepa hari kethan trong cái chung ni nak ketan ni tinggal kam nak force support ka chính cầm là cầm tay cả rồi có thể làm sao làm cái này là ai cũng lấy ra khi ba rồi lắm cái này đi nó sẵn tâm là cái này cả lo việc để cầm mà
Our respected MLAs present out here, our respected officials out here, and all our citizens of this particular block. I first of all would like to congratulate the CNRD department, which has been doing an excellent job in order to not just improve the infrastructure in different blocks, but also as a department in the last 7 years, the CNRD department has been doing wonders, I should say, where all the flagship programs and schemes, we have seen exponential growth in almost all the major schemes that are being implemented by the CNRD department. Apart from that, we realized that the block offices in most of the blocks were not in a good condition. So therefore, we have decided to start with the block offices, and in all the 46 blocks and the new 10 blocks, new buildings have been sanctioned. After this, we will also be further going and creating the staff quarters or repairing or maintaining and providing different facilities. The third step will be to provide boundary walls, and the fourth step will be to have multi-purpose hall in all the block offices. So we are doing it in a phase-wise manner. As you all will recall that most of the block offices have been left in a dilapidated condition for the last 30 years, and not much was done at a large scale. It is only during the time of the MDA government that we have decided to give new block offices to the blocks. In almost every police thana also you will see now repair and maintenance is going on. All the civil subdivisions also have been given new buildings, repairs have been done. Places where there were no DC offices have been given. So overall administration has been strengthened at every level, and today is another example and testimony of this commitment of our government to ensure that we strengthen the administrative setup and ensure that better service is given to the public at the grassroots level. So, okay.